My name is Tina. Make $300 a day from the comfort of your own home. Imagine having the freedom to pursue your passions, travel the world, and create a life that truly reflects your desire. Hi, lovelies, my well-pursed family. Welcome to a world where opportunity and success collide. Today, I invite you to embark on an extraordinary journey that will not only ignite your passion, but also unlock the secrets to financial abundance. Get ready to break free from the chains of monotony and step into a realm where dreams become reality. Are you ready to discover the ultimate blueprint to financial freedom? Then buckle up, because we're about to dive into a captivating and exciting adventure that will forever change the way you perceive wealth and success. Picture this: waking up each morning with a sense of purpose and excitement, knowing that you possess the power to make $300 a day from the comfort of your own home. Imagine having the freedom to pursue your passions, travel the world, and create a life that truly reflects your desire. This is not a dream, it's a reality, and it's achievable. Today, I'm going to unveil a revolutionary method that will empower you to harness the immense potential of Google News and Spinbot to generate a substantial income streams. Brace yourself for a roller coaster ride of creativity, innovation, and limitless possibilities. Are you ready to break free from the shackles of financial limitations and embrace a future filled with endless possibilities? Then, my lovelies, let's dive in and unlock the secrets to making $300 a day using the power of your mind and the magic of the digital world. But before we embark on this extraordinary adventure, let me once again introduce myself. My name is Tina, and I'll be your guide, your mentor, and your catalyst for change. Together, we'll navigate the intricacies of Google News. Yes, and we're going to uncover trending topics that captivate the masses. Will also transform them into compelling content that leaves readers hungry for more. We'll dive into the world of Spinbot. We'll show us the power Spinbot used to spin words into captivating your thoughts and imagination. And finally, we'll conquer the realm of YouTube, producing videos that captivate, inspire, and generate a steady stream of income. So, my lovelies, grab your coffee, buckle up, and get ready to rewrite your financial story. Welcome to the revolution of online entrepreneurship, where the possibilities are endless and the rewards are extraordinary. Step 1. Find trending topics on Google News. To begin, head over to Google News. This is www.news.google.com and explore the trending topics. Look for subjects that are currently generating a buzz and catching people's attention. Whether it's the latest celebrity gossip, breaking news on technological advancements, or even heartwarming stories about animal rescues. The goal is to find topics that have the potential to captivate millions of readers and viewers. Step number 2, generate a Spinbot content. Once you've identified a trending topic, it's time to let your creativity flow. Open up your Spinbot, go to www.spinbot.com, the ultimate content spinner tool, and unleash its power to generate a unique and engaging articles. As you put in your original content, Spinbot works its magic, providing you with alternative words, choice, and synonyms that add a touch of flair and distinctiveness to your writing. By incorporating a dash of humor, a sprinkle of suspense, or even a pinch of controversy, you can create an article that stands out from the sea of mundane content. Step number 3. This is the time to produce an engaging YouTube video. Remember, you already generated a content from Spinbot. Now it's time to bring it to life through the power of video. Fire up your video editing softwares and start crafting an attention-grabbing YouTube video. Enhance your content with a mix of relevant images, jaw-dropping videos, and captivating visuals. Imagine incorporating stunning drone shots of exotic travel destination, heartwarming clips of adorable animals, or even mind-boggling time lapses that showcase the wonders of the world. The possibilities are endless, and by adding these intriguing elements, you'll keep your viewers glued to the screen. Step number 4. Optimize and monetize your video. To maximize your earnings, it's time to dive into the world of optimization and monetization. Start by optimizing your video for search engines. Select relevant keywords and tags that align with the trending topic and ensure they are seamlessly integrated into your video description. Craft a compelling video title that immediately grabs attention and compels viewers to click. Additionally, enable monetization on your YouTube channel, allowing advertisements to be displayed alongside your video. Explore partnerships and relevant brands for sponsored content, and they can provide you additional stream of income while also adding value to your viewers' experience. And there you have it, my lovelies, a step-by-step guide to making a $300 a day using Google News and Spinbot. Remember, consistency, creativity, and staying up to date with trending topics are key to your success. Now, go out there and start earning those bucks. If you appreciate all the efforts I'm putting into bringing this content, don't forget to hit the subscribe buttons and ring the notification bell for more money-making tips like this. Until next time, my lovelies, stay safe and stay financially empowered.